In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF in Google Drive. If you've ever needed to tweak a PDF, maybe fix a typo, update dates, or adjust wording, Google Drive can convert it into an editable Google Doc in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the process and point out what to expect so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google Drive. Once you're on the Drive homepage, navigate to the folder where your PDF is stored, or use the search bar at the top to find it by name. When you see the file you want, click it once to select it. This helps confirm you've got the right document and lets you see quick details like its location and last modified date. Next, double-click the PDF to open it in the Drive preview. The preview shows you the pages and a toolbar at the top. You're not editing yet, this is just a viewer, but it's the gateway to converting the file. At the top of the preview, look for the Open with menu and choose Google Docs. Drive will take a moment to convert your PDF into a Google Doc. What's happening behind the scenes is optical character recognition for scanned content and a layout conversion for digital PDFs. When it's done, your file opens as a new Google Doc in a separate tab and you can start editing right away. A few expectations help here. The original PDF remains unchanged in your Drive. The editable version is a new document created alongside it. The conversion aims to keep text, basic formatting and images, but complex layouts like multi-column designs, detailed tables or forms may shift. Headings, spacing and line breaks can move slightly and some fonts might be substituted. If the PDF was scanned or photographed, the text is extracted where possible, but image quality affects accuracy. From here, edit as you would any Google Doc. Click into paragraphs to revise text, use the toolbar to adjust fonts and spacing, and reposition images if needed. Your changes save automatically as you go, so there's no need to worry about losing work. If you don't see the Open with option right away, wait a moment for the preview to load fully, or refresh the page and try again. And that's it. You've opened your PDF from Drive, converted it with Open with Google Docs, and now you can edit it using familiar tools, all while keeping your original file safe. Thanks for watching and enjoy simplifying your PDF edits with Google Drive.